Well, there's ups and downs, you know. As an entrepreneur or as somebody who moves around and takes risks, you don't know what's around the corner. There's been fantastic times and there's been, you know, tricky times.
I couldn't say that it really works, but from my experience so far, it was a bit uncertain at the start about how it was going to work out. But the more I do it and the more people I meet, it seems to get better every week. So yeah, I'm having a good time, and I hope that continues.
I think it works. I think that work is changing, the way of work is changing, and I think that the more you are mobile, the more you are creative, because it's kind of sense of freedom, and when you feel free, you are more creative and you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, it's great fun. But, you know, you're trading something to gain something. Familiarity, you know, relationships, but coming to spaces like this and events like this, you have opportunities to interact more with like-minded people, interesting people, so it's eye-opening and reassuring at the same time.
You don't have that restrictions or the stress of someone, of a boss, or going to an office, so yeah, I think it's working, because all the people that I have met, all the digital nomads that I have met, are very successful persons.
Yeah, of course. I think it works for a lot of people. There is more and more people who can make a decent salary from working remotely. And there is enough of these people who love traveling, who are open enough and passionate enough about what they're doing, that they don't need or don't want, more so, these traditional environments and staying in one place for 10 or 20 years. Yes, I can see people working very productively in these places, for sure. It just doesn't work for everyone.
It depends on the person. If you really want to do it, you can do it. Digital nomads are maybe kind of lonely people, but it's changing now, because they are traveling together or meeting somewhere together.
It could work for everyone, but you need to expose yourself to the risks. You need to try it out a little to begin with, see if you can make it work. The compromises may not be worth it. You can gain some fantastic things, but if you're not willing to sacrifice other things, then it's not going to work for you.
Personally, I've always kind of had the itch to travel and try new things and meet new people and kind of get different cultures and perspectives on board. But then I know I have loads of close friends that are homebirds and just are content staying at home. So I don't think it's for everybody. But if you're a person that likes to travel and experience new things, I think it's definitely something you might want to consider.
We're quite in the beginning of this evolution, if you want. And it will be interesting to see where it's going. Like the people who are doing it now or have been doing it for a year or two maybe, how long are they going to carry this on? Like, are they going to be digital nomads for the rest of their lives? So when and why is there the point where they maybe go back to their home country or have found a country they want to stay and, you know, have the traditional little house and maybe a dog, and yeah.
For this kind of lifestyle, you have to really carefully reason why you would choose to do one thing versus another.
It depends on the person. What do you want to do? What do you love to do? And you can do it.